guys, it's Mrs. Bauer. How are you? I miss you guys so much. I can't believe we've been away from school for so long. But hopefully we'll get back in the fall and see each other. All right, so today I sent two activities for this week. The first one is a grid coloring. Now I know that we have done grid coloring before at school. They look like this, and you have to fill in the box. This is a challenging one, okay? You really have to take your time with it. I'm gonna put a link for the grid coloring directions for because I did another video on it, so I've already got one recorded. So I'm not going to go through that with you today, but look for that other video. The other activity is the one that looks like this. It's called Copy the Design, and it's a fish. So I'm going to show you how to do that today, okay? All you need is a pencil, and I definitely recommend using a pencil so that way if you make a mistake, you can erase it. But I'm going to use a marker just so it's easier for you to see on the camera. All right, I'm going to turn my camera around and we'll get started. Okay, have you got your pencil? I've got my marker. All right, so here's the design we're going to copy, and here's my blank page. All right, so first I'm going to figure out where to start. And I am looking for 11A. That point is where I'm gonna start. So I'm gonna find that on here's A. You see that? A all the way up to 11, and that's my starting point. All right, so then I have a diagonal line. So it's gonna go up 1, 2, 3 boxes. A diagonal line to go up 3 boxes. So carefully count. 1, 2, 3. There we are. And then it goes straight for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. So I'm going to go across 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looking good? All right. So now I'm going to come back and get this triangle for the fin. So that's going to skip 1 box and start here. And it's going to go a diagonal line 1, 2, 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Then it's going to go straight down for 1, 2, 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. There's the fin. So now we have to make his tail. So at the end of this one, over here, see, let me move this over a little bit. Here's where we are. All right, now we have to make his tail. So here's the top of those boxes, and it's gonna go down 2 boxes, 2 diagonals. 1, 2. All right, and then it's gonna go up 1, 2, 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. A lot of diagonal lines in this. All right, so now looking over here, it's gonna go down 1, 2, 3 boxes, and I'm just gonna mark this because I think it's a point that is a little tricky. So it's M11. So M, and then I have to look over here for 11. M11. Then I'm gonna make that. Then I can easily mark to that line. All right. So then I'm gonna do the same thing for the next point. N8. N8. Right there. So I can connect that. And then I'm going to connect one more to make the tail all the way up here. So sometimes using some of these points here to help you draw your lines when there's a lot of diagonals, it's really helpful. All right, so now we have to go down 2 boxes for the tail. You know what? I think I'm gonna stop right here on this tail, right here, and I'm gonna come back to this side. All right, so I'm coming back to the fish's nose, and I'm gonna work that way. So I'm gonna count the diagonal lines here. 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna go down 3 diagonals. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. And then I'm gonna go across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. So now all I need to do is connect these two together to make the fish. And then I have to go back and add the bottom fin. So it skips the first box. See if I can get it all in the camera for you. It skips the first box that we drew here and goes down 3 diagonals. 1, 2, 3. Then it goes straight back up 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. All right, so that's the outline of our fish. We have to go back in and do the eye and the fin inside. So I'm gonna do the fin inside first. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark these points. All right, so the first one is F13. So I'm gonna find F, make sure you can see it, F, and then it's gonna come all the way up to 13, and I'm gonna put a dot. This one is F9. So here's the F column, and I'm gonna come over to 9, and I'm gonna put a dot. And then I'm gonna trace or figure out where this one is. And this one is I11. So I'm gonna come down here at the bottom. Trace it up to 11. So now I have my 3 points for my fin, 1, 2, 3, and I'm just gonna connect them. Nice diagonal lines, like that. And then the eye, it's a little tricky, so we have to find this center point right here. So that center point is 12D. So I'm following it all the way down here to D, 12D. 12D, that's the center point. So then I'm just gonna make a circle all around the center point. And there's my fish. Okay, how'd your fish turn out? If you did it in pencil, you can always go over it in marker and color it in if you'd like. So this is what mine ended up looking like. So give that a try. It's a little tricky, but go ahead and ask your family for help if you need some help. And don't forget to try the grid drawing. I think you'll be surprised in what it is. All right, as always, I'd love to see what you did, so send me a picture or video, okay? I'll see you next week.